Welcome to Pro Tech Electrical. In this video we will talk about the wiring of the indicator and the complete connections of the hazard switch. Generally, many people understand the flasher and indicator, but they do not know about the connections of the hazard switch. The pin connections of the hazard switch may be different in different vehicles, but if you know the basic theory, it becomes very easy for you to understand it. Today, I have the hazard switch and combination switch of a Mitsubishi L200, and we will make a video on it. If you want wiring information for a specific vehicle, write to me in the comments. I will upload the video soon.
To flasher positive, 2 from fused battery,
3 from ignition switch, 4 free, 5 from parking lights, 6 is ground, 7 to left indicator, 8 to right indicators, 9 is free, 10 from flasher input. Now we wire the indicators. All bulbs and flasher units should be connected to the negative direct battery. Now connect the positive wire of the 15 ampere fuse to pin number 2 of the through hazard switch. Now connect a wire from pin number 1 of the hazard switch to the battery input point of the flasher. Now we will connect the wire from the output of the flasher relay to pin number 9 of the hazard switch. A wire will be connected from pin number 6 of the hazard switch to the left indicator. We will connect the next wire from pin number 7 to the right indicator and use a 10 ampere fuse in both wires. Here, the wiring of our hazard switch is complete. When we press the hazard switch, pins 2 and 1 will be connected, which will provide current directly from the battery to the flasher relay, and pin 9 will be connected directly to pins 6 and 7, which will cause both our left and right indicators to start working. Now we will connect a wire switch to pin number 3 of the hazard switch for wiring the inductor with the ignition switch. Pin number 3 is directly connected to the flasher input. When we turn on the ignition switch, direct current will flow to the flasher relay. Now we will connect a wire from the flasher output to pin number 4 of the combination switch and then connect a wire from pin number 5 of the combination switch to a right indicator and a wire from pin number 7 to a left indicator. Now the wiring is complete. When we turn on the switch and move the combination lever to the left indicator will turn on, and when we move it to the right indicator will turn on.